be a thrower, be a picker.
Hey, Wada.
Hey, Jaden. What are you doing?
What? I was done with it. And I didn't see no recycling bin nearby. And it's only one water bottle. No big deal.
Yes, big deal. Imagine if everyone in the world did that. There'd be tons of garbage everywhere. Let me tell you a story about two boys in Nob Hill who decided to play soccer.
Hey, pass the ball! Shall we clean it up?
Nah.
So what happened to the soccer ball?
They just left it and went.
Well, it's only one piece of soccer ball and not going to cause much harm.
That's what you think. Wait till you see what happens next.
Injured animals!
Watch what happens when the ducks see the soccer ball.
Oh no! The baby will eat the soccer ball pieces!
I don't feel so good. I have to go to the hospital.
So it's just a piece of soccer ball. Did you see what that piece of soccer ball did to that poor duck?
Well, that duck should know if it's food or not.
That duck isn't as smart as you. He will just eat whatever he finds.
Well, it's only one duck. We got millions of ducks in the world.
Well, if that's how you feel, you really need to see how it's from the animal's point of view. Animal extinction. All the garbage in our home is hurting us. Can I be saved? We're dying! We're dying! We're dying! Look what these humans did to us. Now we are extinct.
Wow, one piece of garbage can really hurt animals and even lead to extinction.
Many animals are endangered because of garbage thrown on land and water. But you know, animals are not the only one affected by littering.
What do you mean?
Watch our next video.
Earth's perspective. Where's all this garbage coming from?
It's bad for me.
This needs to stop.
Oh wow, now I can see how my actions can affect the earth and the living things on it. From now on, I'm gonna be eco-friendly.
Jaden, that's fantastic, but it's not enough to just put a water bottle in a recycling bin. In order to be eco-friendly, you have to do more to take care of the earth. Let me show you a video how to be eco-friendly. Solution. Put your waste in the right place. We need to dispose of batteries properly. Batteries do not get thrown in the garbage.
If batteries go in the garbage, they go to the landfill. This makes our environment polluted, our land contaminated, and our animals sick.
Thank you, Wada, for opening my eyes. I'm ready and excited to take care of the earth.
You're welcome, Jaden. Just doing my job. Friends don't let friends litter. Hey, you! Are you being eco-friendly? If not, we've got something to tell you.
Baby duck, are you okay? I missed you. Mom, I'm fine. I just hope people stop littering.
This movie was inspired by a true event that happened at Nob Hill Public School.